So happy for St. Thomas, though. I am. East Fest was a great event, and it stopped happening, and now Unruly Fest. Unruly Fest more with a bag of things, you know.
Yeah, Jody's still there. She don't reach work
You
yet.
see, them never tell me Safari I go. Come when I go if Safari I go.
It's Jody that I much of his still there.
All
All right. Pennywise, pound foolish. It says Jamaicans putting themselves at risk by fixing damaged Christmas lights.
I didn't know you could fix damaged Christmas lights.
You know, I actually had one.
That you fixed?
Well, we turned it on and that all of them did come on. And the gentleman who was putting it up, him just fix it. Which is what they were saying, don't try to fix it. So now me know, so we don't try to fix it. But him fix it, and it worked. So don't try to fix it. Seriously. You're trying to save money and you're going to splice old and damaged Christmas lights. And you could be putting yourself at risk from electrical fires.
Yeah.
And apparently they're saying you could get some lights for like $250. So that's why they mean by Pennywise pound foolish. It's trying to fix it. It might burn down the place, but you could get one for $250. Then you don't burn down the place. So it's up to you. But they're saying sometimes you have faulty extension cords, and sometimes you buy a 10-foot wire and it's just one single bulb because it's not the third on. You have to go through all of them.
That's something I can't take with Christmas lights.
You have to go through
all of them to see which one of them
find out which
do
one.
I pull.
And it's 10,000 bulbs.
Yeah,
and then you find it is the last bulb.
Yeah, you can't.
Then you realize it was the last one. But it's very serious, folks, especially the youngsters. Don't bother going like, genius and try to fix it up, and then you go burn down your electrocute yourself and all kind of stuff. What's the next one?
There's I saw it on
Ridiculously?
On Twitter. Yeah, a referee forcing a wrestler to cut his dreadlocks at a match. I'm not even sure. And look at that. I mean, while the match is going on, the young man is on the floor.
I want to big up the youth. Here why? Because he didn't want to forfeit the game. So he wanted him school to win. So he decided, so, well, all right, I'm going to do it and win. But that's a no-no. That's how in the world the coach allow it. How in the world the school allow that to happen. I don't know. The coach should directly just say, no, man, nothing goes so. Nothing can go so. So that's where I'm a little bit disappointed. But I big up the youth, because the youth I say, well, I'm not going to give away the match. I want to win the match for the team. So I want to big up the youth. But the adults should not have allowed that.
And to have the mental fortitude to go through that and still compete.
Yeah, man.
I mean, this is an amazing
young man.
Young man.
Youth, man.
An amazing
big
young man.
Youth. But me vex with the adults around him. I vex with his coaches.
I vex with even the opponent.
Yeah.
Because even if the man say the match can go on, coach should have said, me not compete.
Yeah.
Opponents should have said, we don't want the points.
Yeah, man.
Never is something that, let me tell you.
By the way, them suspend the referee, which is good news.
Didn't forget suspended, but you see, collective responsibility is something
what I want to understand is said that apparently the referee was saying, it's almost like he was saying the youth was breaking the rules. I want to see where that... Apparently the ref did say... Really? Oh, the student wrestler was told that his hair and headgear were not compliant with regulation. That's what I want to know. What is the regulation?
Well, clearly he's been suspended, so he must make up that.
Yeah, that is what I would like to know, what the regulation states. But again, where I is coach, I would say, well, it's all right. I am willing to give up the points, but I'm not going to make the youth cut off from there. First thing, him should I get his parents, because obviously, I don't know how old he is, but him should I get his parents' permission first to do that. But I would want to know what the regulations are to say if he's breaking the rules or,
So,
you understand?
So, because you're saying, good. So you're going to ask questions. Because people, when you say you want to ask questions to find out why, everybody gets very defensive.
No.
I say, the other team coming at it. Him coach coming at it.
No.
Collective responsibility is something that we do not want to embrace, and we have to go back to it.
Yeah, man.
Maybe the coach did say, we don't know, maybe the coach said, make a forfeit, and the youth said, no, coach, it's all right. But it's okay to ask the questions because we want to know.
I lost the Manning Cup final. Everybody know that by now. And this lady came to me afterwards, and she wanted 6 of the players, but she didn't tell me why. So, the kids were, devastated.
Yeah.
We lose and everybody crying and all kinds of stuff. So I said, why? And she said, Mr. Ben, just bring them up for me. And I said, why do you want them? When I heard, it was a good reason because they had made the Digicel 11. But I didn't know why. So I wasn't just going to call them up and say, well, this lady
You have to
wants
ask questions.
Yeah, so all I'm saying, the coach should have said, what are the regulations? Am I breaking the rules? What will happen if I don't cut me here? I mean, you're going to take all the points. And it seems like that's what the youth was told.
Yeah.
That if you don't cut you here, you can't perform, then your school will lose the points. And him said, no, I don't want my school to lose the points. So I still got to big up that youth.
And again,
But-
and again, and
but the-
again,
yeah.
Neville is not blaming the coach. He's just saying, did the coach ask the questions?
find
Until the
out what
coach
worked.
tell us, him never says so. We just ask
Yeah, man.
questions.
So if the coach, after the coach hear the reason, if the coach decides, say, well, you still have to go cut here,
Yes.
then I'd still have a problem with it. But
Yeah.
at least
But
I could
at least
understand
you
where it was
understand the
coming from.
scenario.
Yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
All right.
That's why you're my friend, you know. You
So where it
you
exactly?
think above.
Where exactly is
Basic.
the Christmas eating? It's not Sabina. So this week, I mean, all the people that go Sabina. So tell me.
If them guys Sabina,
I don't mean tell the
if them guys Sabina, uno just play a nice Christmas cricket match. What a tradition we could start.
It's not
Christmas
neat.
cricket.
It's not
That
neat,
would be
it's
such
not
a
neat.
fun. Christmas Corrigold cricket. Hey,
Oh, I think
watch
them
it
have-
next year.
Yeah, I think they have black and white party down there. 31st.
Year's.
Yeah, so they can go.
New Year's.
Sabina on the 31st. Don't go
Hey,
to that.
Simon and I went to Black and White one year, man. We got there at 10 a.m. We were the only 10 p.m. We were the only people there.
Nobody no reach the line next morning, no? Yeah.
Mr. Kraskin, I go to Neville. Mr. I saw me and him one stand up in the place.
You know that's the first
At
reason.
2 o'clock when we leave, people just suck.
You know that's the first reason I never like New York.
Because people don't go till daylight.
Yeah, I go to New York and I'm quite comfortable. My brother called me and said, come
Let's
to take me
go.
to a party. So I say, yeah, well, you know me dressed and ready from 9 o'clock. The man reached quarter to 3.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
Well,
man.
when him come on, my clothes crush up.
It's a wicked.
Me say, Richard, when the man come on, my face one iron.
Yeah.
No, man, everything come me asleep. So,
Yeah.
Me say, no, man. That, from then, me say, me no
And
like
you raise
that.
a point because because whenever it used to be like that, you know, but it's globalization.
Yeah, no,
where
me no
people are
play that.
foreign and are late, them go
no
out, we
play that.
start go out late.
Plus, if you tell me say the thing start 8 o'clock, I come in 8 because you tell me say it start 8. So even if me alone in the place, you must start the party at 8 o'clock.
Then you not go and dance with them.
Happy birthday to Keisha. What's Keisha's married name? Hutchinson, right? Happy
Yeah.
birthday to Keisha. Keisha Hutchinson. Her birthday was yesterday.
Aw.
And congrats also on your son. They had her son also. So congrats, Keisha. And this is our beloved, Beverly McLean. Her birthday is today. So Beverly, you get Christmas Eve present and then Christmas Day present.
I don't think so.
Here's Bev. Happy birthday. Have a brilliant day today. Many, many,
Every
many,
year,
many.
Beverly and her family cook over 1%.
I mean, I get 2, but
It's 2 she must
well,
get.
I'd give her 1, but I'd break it in half. I give her half today and half tomorrow. So you get 2.
That's something when I buy
But
2
happy
per-
birthday.
All right, Vincent McCullough. You finished, my love?
Yes, ma'am.
Vincent McCullough, it's his birthday today. My good friend. He was here on wish list. Ellis James Lang. It's his birthday today as well. So good morning, happy birthday, Ellis. Kevar Clooney. Lusan. Happy birthday to you, my love, and congratulations
Praise
on your
the Lord.
graduation. Lusan.
Oh.
Lusan. Terry Baker Grant and Darrell Brown. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.